In this video, I'm going to show you how to make spicy fish salad, or in Lao we call it gỏi pa. For this recipe, you need some chopped green onions, Vietnamese cilantro, I'm not sure what it's called in Lao, and then you need some mint, and then you'll also need some lime and cilantro. First, you're going to want to cook your chopped or minced fish in a non-stick pan. Once your fish looks like it's pretty much cooked, you're going to add some salt. Then add a little bit of lime. We're going to add some fish sauce. You can also add some fermented fish sauce, or in Lao we call it padek. I didn't have any, so I didn't add it this time. But most people do add padek, but you don't have to, it's optional. Add some MSG. This is also optional. Then we're going to add some more lime. Next, we're going to add roasted sticky rice. This can be found at a local Lao supermarket, or you can make it yourself. You can take non-cooked sticky rice and cook it in a non-stick pan, and then you're going to blend it in a blender. Add some crushed red chili peppers. When you're ready to serve, you're going to mix in the chopped green onions, the Vietnamese cilantro, and the mint. And we're going to add some cilantro also. If you have shallots, you can also add chopped shallots to it and then mix it well, and it should be ready to enjoy. This dish is best served with sticky rice and a side of veggies like Thai eggplant or cucumbers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.